In this video, I want to show you a quick and easy way to make your own scrunchies using the burrito method. Here I show you some examples of scrunchies I recently made. They come in different sizes, XXL, medium or small, but in this video I will show you the XXL version. But you can easily adjust the measurements as you wish. They come also here, as you see, in different fabrics. You can use cotton, you can use like this satin, but you can also use like stretchy fabric like you see here, or yeah, any kind of fabric you like. Watch until the end where I show you the whole process from start to finish. Let's get started. This is actually made from an old dress. So I'm gonna cut the fabric using these measurements, 12 centimeter wide and 75 centimeters long. You can see that I did a double layer fabric so I can make 2 scrunchies out of that. So now fold the fabric right sides facing and sew a straight stitch. Don't forget to back stitch at the beginning and also at the end. Now turn it around and start folding a small strip like this. And now folding it again and make sure that the thin strip stays in place so that you don't accidentally sew over it. And now again, start sewing a straight stitch and pulling out the small strip while you're going. So sew and pull out. Sew and pull out. As long as you come until the end where you started and there you leave a small gap because we will need that. And now you need some elastic. For the big ones, I usually take like 21 centimeters. You can also use wider elastic if you want, but I had only this here, so I wanted to use what I have. Now you take a safety pin and with that you pull the string, the elastic through your roll. Make a knot. I do like a double knot. And cut off the extra. Now it's time to pull the scrunchie out. Hold the fabric and the elastic through the small gap you left. That's the most satisfying part. Can take a bit, but yeah, will be so worth it in the end. Here you can see the last bits of pulling it out, and it appears a scrunchie. Maybe that will be your first handmade scrunchie, so you can be really proud of yourself. The last thing we have to do now is closing that little gap. Like always, don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and at the end. That's very important. And yeah, I'm using a normal straight stitch again to close that gap. And yeah, it's done. We have finished our own handmade scrunchie. You have finished your own handmade scrunchie. That's amazing. And I hope it was fun for you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'm always happy to help if I can. And if the video was helpful for you, I'm happy about the like. And yeah, see you next time.